Let's test your knowledge on pharmaceutical acronyms. Do you know what APIs stand for? Chemistry and pharmacy students and practitioners would readily tell you within a second. But for you that is hearing for the first time, it stands for active pharmaceutical ingredients. That is now to the meat of the story. The National Drugs Policy 2021 states that availability of appropriate medicine is critical to a functional health system. However, record shows that countries in sub-Saharan Africa import 70 to 90% of essential medicine needs. That's the problem that attracted the attention of West African Postgraduate College of Pharmacists and the National Institute of Pharmaceutical Research and Development. Uche Ogochukwu reports.
Vast medicinal vegetation, numerous research work lying on shelves. Yet, Nigeria and the rest of West Africa depend on importation of raw materials and other medicines, despite the numerous institutions on ground. This scenario has made the region vulnerable in the medicine supply chain, as evident at the peak of the COVID-19 pandemic.
The Institute secured a grant worth about 6 billion naira from the Japanese government to establish the first nanotechnology laboratory which is focused purely on drug development and phytomedicinal arrangement in Africa.
Active pharmaceutical ingredients, APIs, are the substances in drugs that are responsible for the beneficial health effects experienced by consumers. For instance, the acetaminophen contained in a pain relief.
Indeed, Nigeria and by extension Africa has the potentials to locally produce these active pharmaceutical ingredients. What then is the bane?
Some of the multinationals, they depend upon their parent companies abroad, making sure that their active ingredients come from there. The major problem is funding, because without funding, you cannot take it further.
In this meeting between NIPRD and the West African College of Pharmacists, ideas and experiences